The next topic is State Commission. The State Commission is a consumer dispute redressal commission which is established by the state government with the approval of central government. Let's see the composition of the State Commission. Here in the composition of state government, there should be one president. The president shall be a person who is or has been a judge of High Court, appointed by the state government. His appointment should be made in consultation with the Chief Justice of High Court, and other than President, the 2 members are required. Out of 2 members, one of whom shall be a woman. Next, let's see the qualification of members. The member should have the following qualification in order to be a member in the State Commission for Consumer Disputes Redressal. So here the member should not be less than 35 years of age. This is the first requirement, and the second requirement is the member should have a bachelor degree. The member should have a bachelor degree and 10 years of experience, at least 10 years of experience in economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs or administration. So these are the requirement for being a member in State Commission for Consumer Disputes Redressal. Jurisdiction of the State Commission. First of all, we discuss pecuniary jurisdiction here, that the State Commission can entertain the complaint where the value of the goods or services and compensation exceeds 20 lakhs but does not exceed 1 crore. So where the value of goods or services and commission exceeds 20 lakhs but does not exceed rupees 1 crore. Then the second one is territorial jurisdiction. The State Commission entertained complaint within the limits of the jurisdiction. The opposite party or each of the party in case of more than actually and voluntarily resides or carries on business or has a branch office or personally work for gain at the time of complaint. Then the second, any of the opposite parties where there are more than one at the time of institution of complaint actually and voluntarily resides, carries on business or as a branch office or personally works for gain, provided that in such case either the permission of the State Commission is given, or the opposite party who do not reside or carry on business or have a branch office personally work for gain, as the case may be, acquiesce in such institution of complaint. Appellate jurisdiction under section 15. In case the unsatisfied party appeal against the order of the district forum in the State Commission within 30 days from the date of order received from the district forum, in such case the State Commission can act as an appellate court. The person making an appeal should deposit 50% of decreed amount or 25,000, whichever is less. Here decreed amount means official order amount which is given by the district court. Then there is a note here, a dissatisfied customer can file a complaint directly with the National Commission or appeal against the decision of the State Commission within 30 days or within 1 month from the date of the order. So the unsatisfied customer can appeal against the order of the State Commission in the National Commission within 30 days. The next one is National Commission. The National Commission is established under the central government. Here in the composition of the National Commission, there must be one president who is or has been a judge of the Supreme Court to be appointed by the central government, who shall be its president. And other than president, 4 members are required who have a good knowledge in economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs, or administration. Out of 4 members, one of whom shall be a woman. And under note, the salary, honorarium, or any allowances which are payable by the National Commission must be prescribed by the central government. And about term of National Commission is, every member of the National Commission shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 75 years, whichever is earlier, and shall not be eligible for reappointment. Procedure on receipt of complaint. The first procedure is, once the complaint received from the complainant, the copy of complaint should forward to opposite party to give clarification on it within 30 days or extended period not exceeding 15 days. And in the second procedure, if the opposite party fails to take action or give any explanation to the National Commission within the given period of time, the National Commission can proceed to settle dispute. And in the third procedure, the obtained sample should be sent to appropriate laboratory. And in the fourth procedure, within 45 days, the laboratory should perform the test. And in the fifth procedure, if the National Commission feels appropriated, then the copy of finding or the copy of report can be forwarded to the opposite party. And in the sixth procedure, the National Commission should give opportunity or requires to give opposite party to raise objection in writing. And in the last procedure, before giving any final order, the National Commission has to give chance to both the parties to give more explanation or clarification on the report which has given by the laboratory. And here in the note, it says appeal. The unsatisfied party can appeal against the order of the National Commission within the period of 30 days to the Supreme Court. The last topic is Consumer Protection Council. This council is established by the central government, and this council consists of chairman, who is the minister in charge of consumer affairs, and other official and non-official members who are representing such interests as may be prescribed. And their main function is to enhance the consumer welfare and empowering the consumer to ensure themselves. And here consumer includes administrations, consumer of goods and administrations, and buyers, mortgagers, and tenants of steady property. And it goes about as a supporter for consumer interest. It seeks to engage consumer to encourage. And here the note is, the Consumer Council established on the central level, state level, and district level.